is the perfect time to come along and get a brand new barbecue. Treat your friends and family to a fantastic Easter roast with a twist. I'm Gay and I'm the team leader at the Roxy Manor BBQ Department.
And I'm Stephen, the barbecue specialist at Roxy Manor, and this year we're going to be bringing you lots of tips and tricks to help up your barbecue game.
Today we're cooking a leg of lamb using rosemary and garlic, and we're going to be cooking that on our Weber gas Genesis.
And because we're going to be roasting that leg of lamb, we've set up our barbecue for indirect cooking, and we're going to be monitoring its temperature using an iGrill program.
Using the iGrill, we can cook the lamb to a 65 degree, which will give us a medium roast. The great thing about the iGrill is you can leave the barbecue to just cook away on its own, leaving us more time to have a gin and tonic.
Well, our lamb should be about done now, so we'll let you see the results. Remember, you can get any of your meat or trimmings at our food hall. But that's it from us today. If you have any questions about the kit we used or how to take your Easter roast to the barbecue, send us a message or come in store, and make sure you keep your eyes peeled for our tips and tricks coming soon.